Oh. Oh man, this setup is interesting. Yo, Raider Dog, what's good? Message on Discord, yeah. I'll reply in time. I think I did reply actually. You asked about Codium, right? The Ladyboys. Luckily haven't ran into any of them. We're doing this today. Same thing we did last stream. Where are we? This one. We're gonna be using Portkey Cloud. That's the price. 10k requests a month for free. Nice. Oh, but only 30 days retention. That's pretty shit. What? And that's $99 a month. That's kind of shit. What's this one? This is some like, oh my god, this drop down menu. It's like analytics for my LLM usage. I don't even know. I'm having doubts. You know when there is a live? I'm here. Yes, Lokesh, thank you for, actually I think you've been to a lot of them. Oh nice. Thank you, Flashwebby. You're the GOAT. Did it actually ping though? Surely. Hold on, can I check? Legends. Missions. Oh, here we go. Mention everyone. Yeah. All roles. Thank you, Fleshy. Yo, Enrico. You're in the Gen AI conference in SF. That's awesome. What's happening? Can you stream it? You use numbers? What's numbers? I'm starting to want to use prompt foo. Maybe? Like from everything I've seen, this could work. You have a list of prompts to compare, a list of providers to compare, and a bunch of tests. So it's pretty annoying. We were on this site trying to find alternatives for like analytics. What I'm trying to do is pretty much make it easy to track how we perform. Like Clickolas Cage, it's gonna change like the system prompt, everything. And I just want like a way to track whether it's doing worse or better than previous versions. I think I'm spending too much time on it than it's worth too. I might pause it. I might do something else. Alright, let's have a look at the issues. I kind of want to leave the good first issues for someone that wants to pick them up. We have voice integration or some kind of memory. I think I'm actually gonna do this as well. Try to get it reliable to create Google Calendar events. Yeah, I want to do that. Foobar, thanks for the sub. So yeah, let's just open it up and run it. So our project, we just, since we've already got it running, already got it set up. The hell? Let's check out main. Oh, what are all these diffs? Lunary. Oh yeah, no, we don't want that. I'm looking small. Okay, let me. Oops. Here we go. Is that better? Maybe. I can make this big too. Okay. There's an npx command for port key, and then a yarn. Oh wait, we're in the wrong thing. Wait, can we do that? Oh, you can do that from there anyway. Yarn dev. Okay. So actually, I could make my own logs. Every time we call OpenAI SDK here, oh, we should have abstracted it. I was gonna log it here. We maybe can. Yeah, it would be so much better if it was a separate API, but that's fine. Oh, I think because look, this has all these Julia files. Because yeah, I had the logs from LM Studio previously. That's very interesting. That was an easy way to log because like it was all done by the inference server. You were saying, what's up? Recap, we haven't done too much yet. So I'm going to be testing, probably I'm just going to be testing Clickolas Cage and how it performs in creating a Google event. If you don't know what Clickolas Cage is, it's this Chrome extension I'm building. Here it is. Add an event in my calendar for Tuesday 2 p.m. called test. Let's see how well it does, and we'll try and make it so this demo works really reliably. So it checks all the things it can click on. It chose to click on some, well, let's click create, that's good. Just click on some random other things first. And that, yeah, I just want some kind of logging system so I can see where things went wrong, because right now it's really hard to tell. So I'm gonna save the console logs and have a look at how they are. Save that, and yeah, here we go. This is what it looks like In the logs. Oh, thanks for the rose, Hassan. Today's stream schedule is just me testing, like developing Clickolas Cage a bit. Because we got some momentum for that. Nothing too exciting. Just hanging out. We'll play some music. But yeah, feel free to ask any questions. And yeah, enjoy. This song is sick. Oh yeah, Suno just released 3.5 and like apparently it's really good. Yo, Nathan.
Clickolas Cage is an AI web browsing agent.
Wait, what did you say about the live gang thing? Hold on.
Clickolas Cage is on a journey through the internet.
Let's see. Oh yeah, Suno just released 3.5 and like.
Clickolas Cage is autonomous agent. Clickolas Cage surfs through the
Numbers?
Click, click, click. It's Clickolas Cage.
Oh, is it Twitch?
Click, click, click. Surf to new page.
No.
Click, scroll, type, click. Click,
What's new with 3.5? I don't know. Let's have a Google.
Clickolas Cage is an AI web browsing agent.
4-minute max clip length. 2-minute max song extension. Improved song structure and vocal flow. See?
Clickolas Cage is autonomous.
Show click. Add thought. Okay, request.
It's Clickolas
Request.
Click, click, click. Surf to new page. Click, scroll, type, click. Click, 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 click.
Okay. I think I'm gonna have to add my own logs. We're gonna do a log in the first step. What's a really good... Oh yeah, there's like a vacuum outside. Log. Let's ask ChatGPT for some tech advice here. What's a good NPM library? Good NPM library to save logs to files. I wanted to save them to files though. Nicely. Bonus if they have analytics or something. Winston. Make a rectangle where it clicks and make it transparent. Yeah. I wanted it to actually be the Clickolas Cage logo. The face. Actually could do that. Let's check out Winston by NPM. FS directly? I don't know if I can do that with the Chrome extension. I'd prefer if there was just some library that makes it easy. This doesn't look too easy. Too many lines. Format, meta. So what features do they have? I got tie results, that's fine. My project is a Chrome extension. I'm not sure if Node packages like this are the best fit. Is there a hotkey to press enter on ChatGPT? Browser local storage, Chrome storage, IndexedDB, remote logging. Might do remote logging. Browser local storage suggests the same. Give an example of one. What are its limitations? Yo, Ego 8, what's up? I'm trying to add some like logging, better logging for my Chrome extension. Function log message, local storage, get item key, app logs, which returns an array, and then you get the whole array. Okay. This is okay. Suppose limited to 5 megabytes per domain. That's okay for us. It's plain text, that's fine. Could be accessed by any script. Performance issues. Only strings. Cross session. Still not sure. Should we do what Flashy suggested and change the icon? Where's the rectangle I made it for? I think it was in the content script. Content script? Side panel. Is it? Rect. Okay. Maybe it was in the background script actually. Click. Where are we clicking? Click element. Okay. Click element. Here we go. Where does it add the... Here we go. Mouse press, mouse payload. Where does it add the actual red rectangle? Here. Create square at location. Okay. Let's see if cursor can edit this for me. Command K. Change this code so instead of the red square it currently renders, it should render an image. Do we have it? Icon, excellent. Instead. GPT-4. Looks like it's doing it. Trying to find the error on line 125 of your 100-line code. Oh, I don't know if that SRC would work. Let's see. Create a new Google Calendar event. It's still a red rectangle. I don't think it refreshed. Click. Oh, that refreshes it. Go to YouTube and click on the search button. Still red. What the fuck? Oh, I didn't save it? What? I swear when I accepted it, it should automatically save. Can't play music because it keeps refreshing. Create an event in Google Calendar. Can I do complex tasks? Probably not. Not at the moment. Maybe in the future. Like the multi-on one, which I think is the best app for this in that I've seen, can do like 500 step tasks, which is crazy. Okay, now it's not rendering anything. Let's see if we can inspect it. Image SRC. Yo, Apple Arab Tech, what do you need to run AI with 100 billion parameters? Oh, wow. I think you need like a really good GPU that you couldn't really get for under like 10 grand. I think you need like, you know, a lot of VRAM. I think VRAM is the like kind of cutoff. Is Gemini competition? Yeah, this is my Gemini competition entry. What does this app? Lost calls? I didn't get that whole. Oh, lost calls. Yeah, why isn't the image loading? Is the new question. Let's see if I can see any images here. Oh, we have this image. Okay, that's not it. Oh, there's one here. Profile image. I don't think it's that either. We should set an ID so we can find it. Yeah, I'm gonna set an ID. Image ID. Oh no, that's not what I want. ID equals test image placeholder. Okay, make sure that saves. Try it again. Create and in my Google Calendar. Yeah, run pod, but that's not local. What does the app do? Yeah, so you just type something for it to do, and it, you know, goes on the internet, clicks buttons, types stuff in. Unfortunately, and now I'm trying to add like the logo every time it clicks, but is this it? No, placeholder. What do I call it? Test. Okay, the ID either test image isn't working or it's not there. Go Control K. Oh, we can actually just double check that we didn't get any errors about it. Create square location is not defined. Oh yes, okay. Create square at location. This got renamed to create image. Bitmap? No. Create. Oh, probably copy it, I guess. Create image at location is the new name. What is this? I think we don't use this anymore. Okay. Let's try again. Create a Google Calendar event. Creating a song with Suno? Maybe. I don't think so. I don't think it can. But like, I reckon it definitely will be able to eventually. Create is not defined. Oh, looks like I didn't type properly. Create image. There we go. All right, surely this time I think maybe we won't get an error. at least. Ooh, yep. It tried to load it. I think now we have an issue with the src being in the wrong format. Apparently we can't do @icon. Kind of makes sense because I don't think that's proper format. How about let's try, what folder is this in? Like, could we go public slash? No. Let me just see where it is. Public icons. No, it's not that either. Oh, we probably need to copy it there. Unless this is it. Oh, that is it. Let's try that. We'll go icons logo.ico. Will that work? Okay. Oh, wait, so is it doing something? Nope, same issue. Man. Okay. Can I change this here? Logo.svg. Nope. Public. Nope. I think we need to import. No, it doesn't make sense. Let's ask ChatGPT. I have this code. The image is not loading properly. It is located. This is a React project, and the image is located at public icons logo. Let's do SVG. See what it does. Oh, chat with code base. I didn't mean to do that. Oh well. Oh no, it's fine. GPT-4o said it will cost me $26,000 to build a PC that can run 100 billion parameters. Yeah, 100 billion is a lot. Like, no like consumer level hardware can really do that. src equals icons logo. No, it's still not gonna work. It's still not loading properly. Do I have to import it in React? Let's see. Let me just double check that it actually isn't loading properly too. And the calendar in Google Calendar. Yep, same issue. Yeah, I think we have to do this. From logo, import logo from that. And src equals logo? Is it? That doesn't seem right either. What am I creating? This is my Chrome extension. You tell it something to do and it can go on websites, click buttons, and do what you tell it to do, pretty much. Damn it. And right now I'm having an issue trying to load an image. Have they started training GPT-5? I don't know. They're not really public about GPT-5 at all. Maybe I'm missing the slash in front of icons. Let's see. Oh, import logo from icons. Maybe you can't put icons here. No, you definitely can. Still not working. Damn it, I don't know. I'm actually stumped. It's just such a weird way to... Maybe I shouldn't be... Hold on. I probably shouldn't be using create element. Image file definitely exists, right? Icons, logo, SVG, yeah. Maybe we can't use... Hold on. Oh, we have image. Let's try that. Let's try image 48. Why does that look so bad? Alright, 128. Image? What was it? IMG. IMG logo 128.png. Alright. Create. How long have I been coding with React? Like 7 years, I think. Image src slash icon slash. Should we try to do a relative path there? Let's do... The fact that it doesn't do the autocomplete makes me wonder. Come on, click with an icon. Damn it. Alright, we're not gonna go, we're gonna go absolute path. Image logo. Be careful, ChatGPT can produce buggy and could lead to exploits. Run unit tests, yeah. Will I ever do code reviews with viewers? I don't think so, maybe. It's not really something that excites me. Damn, we're spending way too long on this. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna give up on the icon. We're just gonna stick with the red square. Yeah, okay, we're gonna stick with the red square. We could make the opacity less as a consolation. Probably will just leave it though. Yeah. It's not a big, it's really like not a big issue. Yeah, I'm gonna probably reset that. Let's go get diff for. Let me try out the source code control on cursor. kind of stuff do we see? Yeah, okay. We can discard. Boom. Nice. Yo, Kaushik, what if you tried a real image from the web just to see if any resource loads? Well, that's a great question too. That's a great suggestion, sorry. Unfortunately, I did just revert all the code, but yeah, that would have actually been a cool suggestion. Could have loaded it from the web. Could have been an issue with the relative file system. Am I building a Chrome extension? Yes. Is this a clone? No, I started it from scratch, except of like the Chrome extension React template. Just make the square translucent. Okay. Square.style.opacity equals 0.5. There we go. Now it should be translucent. Create an event. Let's do something different. Create a new song on suno.com. It's never been, I don't think this even knows about suno.com, Gemini, but we'll see what it does. Here we go. It's navigated to Suno. It's looking at what buttons are available. It's clicked create, and there we go. It's created. It actually worked. It actually created the new song. I mean, I guess it makes it really easy. All you have to do is press one button. And there we go. Now that thing is translucent, so you can actually see what it typed. So this is the song it created. Wanting to be with you. Wait, no. Not this song. This song. Let's commit this. Hey, VGF, thank you. What state am I from? I'm actually living in Australia, but I'm in Thailand right now. I assume you were asking about the United States. How complicated would it be to create a Chrome extension that when a user navigates to a page on WordPress? What happens? Select it, it generates a text file with the page's content. That should be pretty easy. Should be pretty easy. Oh, like, depends what format you want the content. But like, at a basic level, it's easy. Okay, that's pretty cool. Dude, I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, so I just still have the issue of logs. I want better logs. I'm just gonna do console logs. We're just gonna do console logs here. Let's see which of these functions do we Is there a way to close all the things in a file? That would be so cool. Let's see, close. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT, because I reckon that's gonna be such a good way to view a code file. Is there a shortcut in VS Code that closes all the functions, collapses probably is a better word, collapses all the functions in the editor? How do you, okay, command enter. Like all of these. Like imagine if we had the code like this, it'd be so much easier to read. Command K followed by command 0 supposedly. Alright, so command K, command 0. Did not work. What's the action called? So every like action in VS Code, you can trigger it from fold all. You can just go command P or command shift P, and it starts with the greater than sign, and then we can search for fold all. Boom. Apparently it's command R, command 0, and then boom. Oh, perfect, guys. How cool is that? It just makes it so much easier to view this file now. So let's see which of these calls I want to log. Is the screen share feature of GPT-4o out yet? I definitely don't think it's publicly out. Maybe a few people have access to it. Yeah, adding border radius on the square would have definitely been good, but that's not really a big issue. So let me try the command R, command 0. Oh, sick. All right, 98. So pretty much what I'm going to do now, because I have a feeling that not all of these files are, all of these functions are being used. So I'm going to go one by one, search the whole repository forum, and yep, that one's being used, prompt with feedback. So I'm just going to log. Oh, we do log it. But choices, chat completion, messages. So we're just logging the response, but I also want to log the message. I'm not sure if we can do that. Let's see in here. So this is the first plan, I think. Oh no, there's another one. First step. Prompt to first step. What's the opposite of fold all? Unfold? Unfold all. RJ. Okay. I could just copy this. Oh, that is so disgusting. But I could. I could make it a variable. Const messages equals boom. And then here in messages, we'll just messages. Boom. And then that enables me. What's my timing for live? I think it's like being around this time every day. That's what I'm going to try to do. And I normally go for like an hour at least. Message. Now let's get the logs. Did I delete the other one? Interesting. Console.log. We're gonna make a special log. There's gotta be a better way to do this. Extract JSON. Whatever. Console.log. LLM logging. Messages and completion. Plus that. All right, so that should log it for at least the first one. Let's have a look. Can I suggest you a fast image generation? I think Meta AI is really fast. Gives you like 4 as well. Meta.ai. Imagine a banana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it's a bit slower than I thought. 9, 10 seconds. 4 images in 10 seconds. But they do have a watermark. Okay, we have logging. Let's log something. Go to apple.com. Oh, you know what the issue is? The log isn't on this, is it? The log is on here. Interestingly, I think. LLM logging, yeah. here. JSON thought param. Need to stringify this as well. All right, and we'll do this with a bunch of these calls. It's not the prettiest solution, but it'll work in the time being, just so I can debug stuff easier. Okay, get next step from LLM. That's probably a good place to do it as well. Was it J? No. What was unfold all? Unfold all RJ. What the fuck? That is a bit of a weird one. Console log, yeah, same thing. Just gonna extract model here, messages to be here, const messages equals boom. Okay, messages, sick. Is it front end? Yeah. Yeah, it's just in the logs of the extension. Check out what's happened in the Google Gemini challenge. Discord. Why? What happened? Something bad? Something good? Clickolas Cage. Clickolas. What's this? Reply buddy. They're discussing how to get the user to pay. Yeah, that's an important discussion. You need a server log, then API to be sent to the server. Yeah. That's a good solution, because then we can have logs from every user. But then it also means you're collecting data from every user. So I'm just going to have this local solution here, and I'm going to put it in a separate branch so people don't have to worry about it. I forgot how to do fold R0. Okay. So we got prompt to next step. Let's do we call prompt to plan reviser? I also wanted to, no, we've commented that out. Whatever, we're just gonna have these two. I think this is enough. I'm gonna put this on a separate branch. Can I do that? Branches, new branch. We're gonna call this analytics. Oh, we already have it. Analytics. Can we check out this branch? I'll do it in terminal. Git check out analytics. Git add that. Git commit basic logs. Okay, got basic logs. Okay, I'll write that. They're saying the bot would say buy me a gift and act sad and ignore the user. Just like a real girlfriend. No, I'm kidding. Where is Clickolas Cage? Okay, integrate analytics. A very basic local solution implemented on, how do we reference a branch? Oh, we can? Branch? Maybe we can't. I don't think we can. I can just copy the commit. Oh, did I not push it? I think I've not pushed it. Git push. Huh? What? Gotta set upstream. Location, I'm thinking of switching from VS Code to Cursor. Any suggestions? Like, I've been working with VS Code for quite a time. It's pretty much the same thing, man. Yeah, I just use it like I'm using VS Code, but then occasionally I'll do some AI stuff. Analytics, there we go. A basic local console.log solution has been started on that. I'll close this. We don't really need to worry too much about that yet, I guess. Okay, experiment with system prompting to get a reliable Google Calendar. Excellent. This is kind of what I want to do as well. So now we have the logs, we can kind of debug a bit better. So let's see where it fails. If I say create an event in my Google Calendar for Tuesday at 2 p.m. labeled pizza time. Let's see where it fails. Where'd my console log go? I guess it closes when you close that. Do I just... receive response from client? Should I log these as well? Oh yeah. Turns out I already have pretty good logs. So that was the first step, create an event. I'm gonna go to Google Calendar. Let's press tab a bazillion times. And then here, then it says to access the calendar, we need to click today, Friday, May 31. It's clicked that. And then send responses on a function. And it got stuck in a loop of clicking the same thing. And why is send response not a function here? Completed. So it thinks it completed as well. Looks like a lot of work to do here to tidy things up, but that's okay. I think this is a very important thing for me to do. Let's find where it said completed. Here, send response completed. Apparently this. Is it raining? No. Couldn't find this. Why? It's definitely there. Right? Yeah, send response. It didn't come through sometimes? Alright, let's have a look at all the process responses. Process response calls. There's only one. No, there's, yeah. Add listener. Yeah, there's only one. No, wait, this is send message to tab. Do we need that? Let's see if we need this. Make an event in my Google Calendar for Tuesday, 2 p.m. I think I missed some TikTok chat, guys. Sorry. Feel free to send them through again. Okay, let's have a look at the logs now. Okay, calendar ting. Press the create button. Skip to main content. Oh no, skip the main content. Then the create button. Okay, great, great. Create button, and then create button again. And then what? Plan complete. No. Okay, it's not too bad. We have a lot of irrelevant logs that I probably am going to try to get rid of. Right? Yeah. Let's get rid of a lot of logs. Should I do this on the main branch? Probably. Did we make any other changes? Skip div. Yeah, we got rid of that. I think that's fine. We can get rid of that as well. Let's check out main. Okay, cool. Let's start getting rid of a lot of these console logs. Extract JSON object, send message to content script. I think we'll keep that. Tabs. What are the annoying ones? Pretty much is what I want to know. Receive response from client. That one's annoying. Received response from client. Every time. I feel like we could just make it easier. BG receive, and then it's request dot type. I think that's good. Okay. Let's see how clean that is now. Go to suno.com and create a song about bananas. Let's see if we can actually type. I haven't seen it type recently. Why isn't the square transparent now? Did I not? Maybe I didn't push the code. Let's see if the square is not transparent this time. Okay, didn't click anything. Let's see what its thoughts are. Set, what is this? Allowed tabs. Oh, no, I don't want that. Don't want to log that. Allowed tabs. Inside completed task, current step, current tab. Remove those. Allowed tabs here. Yo, so what am I working on? This is my Chrome extension, Clickolas Cage. You can click on it in Chrome and tell it to do whatever you want. So let's say, go to the TikTok page for Tech Friend and see if he's on live stream. Hey, it opened my live stream. That's so cool. This is actually working pretty good sometimes. Where's the chat though? There we go. Does it cost money? Yeah. It's using Gemini API, which is free. It's open source, yeah. AJ47/Clickolas Cage. on GitHub. What am I doing? Oh yeah, it is transparent. It's still transparent. That's good. Okay, we should have less logs. Oh, I shouldn't have closed that. Let's try create a calendar event. Create an event in my calendar. 2 p.m. Tuesday. I'm lagging on stream again? A little bit, yeah. So I determined that that was because of the camera software I'm using. Which I can just restart, so that's a good news. Okay, let's have a look at these logs. Background received, new focus element, new focus element. Press tab key, press tab key, press tab key. That is pretty annoying. Might just remove that. I thought to see the tech friend. Oh, this is the old logs. Tech friend is blah 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 blah. Okay, we need to click the create button. What about the first? Okay, to create an event in your Google Calendar, we're gonna go to calendar.com. Oh, this is the old logs without analytics. Interestingly. Oh, very interesting. It's actually like kind of useful, as it was. I'm gonna commit this removal of a lot of background JS logs. Removed a bunch of background JS console logs. You should add a user confirmation feature to make sure the task is. Oh, that's a great suggestion. Yeah, we need to have that. We need like a chat. But yeah, I think the way you phrase it is actually pretty good too. Feature user confirmation message user UI to make sure task is completed successfully. If it isn't, we let the LLM know to keep trying. Okay. Labels, enhancement. This is a good first issue as well. It's kind of hard. But yeah, I'll put it good first issue. Okay. How long will we be on? An hour, 4 minutes, sweet. There is something else we could do, or I really do want to get this Clickolas Cage at a stage where it's working pretty well at some things. And I think it's like kind of already at that stage. Let me do some more tests with it. Like let's say open a tab with open blank.org and type a sentence about bananas inside. Is blank.org a text? No, you can't type here. Notepad. It's like a notepad.js. Okay. Open notepad.js.org and write a sentence about bananas inside it. Does the LLM do any sort of outline of steps? Oh, that's what I had it initially. First, I had it to create the whole plan before starting, but now it actually does it one step at a time and makes sure to like scrape the DOM every time and stuff. Yeah. Okay, I think it got stuck. So the thing is, the way I'm sending the DOM through is tab navigation, and I'm only limiting how many things it sees. So sometimes it could have issues. Looks like it had an issue here. Let me merge these analytics branches in. Let's put some music on. We're gonna change up the atmosphere.
Tech friend is testing coding aid. Tech friend is testing the best AI.
Should I try to dim the light?
Should you
Okay.
pay for custom spend that? Should the assistant be in VS Code? Or should it live in the terminal and generate code? Tech friend is testing coding aid. Tech friend is testing the best AI. Is it new Copilot or Mentat? Should you pay for custom spend that? Should the assistant be in VS Code? Or should it live in the terminal and generate code? Tech friend is testing coding aid. Tech friend is testing the best AI. Is it new Copilot or Mentat?
Can you have it do both? Make a plan and do it step by step? Yeah, definitely. There's so many different ways you could design this system. Yeah, I think we're gonna keep experimenting until we find something that works really well. It's open source, so if you want to have a go, check it out. Clickolas Cage on GitHub.
Tech friend is testing coding aid. Tech friend is testing the best AI. Is it new Copilot or Mentat? Should you pay for custom spend that?
It's so annoying. Every time I like change the code, it refreshes all the chromes. How I started the Chrome extension?
Clickolas Cage is an AI web browsing agent. Clickolas Cage is on a journey through the
So I tried something just like this for the very first time in like March last year. It was by Builder.io, but that one worked with like Playwright. So the issue was it wasn't hold on. This does not work. Yeah, so I tested this one by Builder.io. It had like a web browsing system, but it was just like Python and like Selenium or something. So it would create a whole new Chrome thing that, I think this will work, that didn't have your login session. So I was like, if you have a Chrome extension, it would actually have your login session. And then I tried a couple that came out, Hyperwrite. Let me reset the camera so we're lagging less. Hyperwrite and what else did I try? This doesn't quit. Hyperwrite. And then, yeah, Hyperwrite was the first one. And then Multion. And then, yeah, and they were sick. But there was no open source ones. And then I went into a hackathon last year around, I don't know, before November, maybe October or something. And I tried to make an open source version in the hackathon. Spent like over, I don't know, 6 hours trying to do that and didn't get very far. And then I've been like continuously building it on stream. Yeah, over the next, like, I don't know, it's been ages, but not very consistently. Like I took many months off. And yeah, it's been a long journey. Clickolas Cage. I've streamed a lot of it. And 102 commits. Let's see when the first commit was. Is there a way to go to the first commit easier? Yeah, that's it. 7 months ago. I think it's a really cool project. Hopefully it gets really good and we can improve it. So I'm going to do some more testing here. Pretty much just try to nail this calendar creation flow. Create a Google event on Friday, 5 p.m. Can you make me a chat mod? I need to share a face cam setup. Oh yeah, for sure, Flash. Are you on YouTube? I got you. All right, let's have a look at the logs. Sweet. It's much easier to read now. Could definitely format it to be better, but at least we have it. Create a Google Calendar. Go to the calendar.url. The URL, they've been getting it right every time. So really happy with Gemini on that. Clicking the create button, also very good. Now here's where it falls apart. For some reason I want to skip to the main content. Oh yes. This is a thing. That thing is I used to have this code using these things called mutation observers. Mutation observer. What this does is lets me listen to changes in the code with this observer.observe, and every time like the DOM changes, every time a new element is added or something moves, we get notified, so we can send that with a priority to the LLM and be like, this is a new DOM element, a new button. And it's really useful in Google Calendar because when we click the create button, which I'll try to do here, it actually opens a drop down like this. So we have to know that there's new elements. So we can click them. And then at that point, the tab doesn't really work too well at that point. That's interesting. If I did that, yeah, oh. If you do tab after you've done that, it actually breaks out of it. That's a very tricky situation. Need to figure out how to fix that. I'm not sure. We can write that note in the issue. So I'll be like, here. Experiment to get reliable Google Calendar creation. Okay. So it seems like it's reliably going to the right site and clicking the create button. However, it struggles to click the drop down menu options after the create button is clicked. So I'll probably have to brainstorm and think of a way to do that. Yeah. Okay. This is a really cool task, add the UI to change the LLM provider. This is also good. That's good. We're getting some new features. Yeah. Paris Hilton, did I respond to your comment? Sorry, I saw it a while ago, but I think I was too distracted to respond to it. But yeah, we've just been working on Clickolas Cage. I want to submit it for the Google Gemini competition, and hopefully we can win some prizes, give back to the community. But yeah, I'm not sure. Let me check out Flashy's link. Wait, can I open that in Botrix chat? I didn't have Google Chat open. No, it doesn't look like it.
Then you have a big problem, because no one wants to watch a video that looks or sounds like this. And if you're blaming it on your camera, let me tell you right now, it's not the camera, it's... And I went into
It's
my
the lighting.
camera, and I went into my camera's settings and turned the audio levels down really far, almost all the way. So even if you made a video like this with pretty good audio, you'd still have a lot more people watching than if you had bad audio but good video. So the next thing I'm gonna do is just clean up some junk in the background to make it less distracting and just make the lights, the colors, and white balance is the same as camera, which caused this Trump Dog softbox lighting kit you can find on Amazon for like $50. I'll put the link in the description. But it comes with a diffuser you can put over the light, so I'm gonna do that right now because the light is really hard on my face. So okay, I'd say that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to add a light in the background. I'll set that up a bit less grainy. At the same
Yeah,
time,
well, the thing is, like, I'm in a hotel room, so I don't have access to lighting and stuff.
And I added the freedom filter and put it on 50% power, whatever you want to call it. So that is everything.
Alright, let's see the difference. This to this. Like, yeah, it's definitely better, but I don't think it's that big of a deal. I normally have a bit better quality when I'm on my home computer too. But yeah, okay guys, that was the update. Quick little hour session coding Clickolas Cage. We made a little bit of progress, added some new tasks, added some different logs, and yeah, I'm gonna be working on getting Google Calendar event creation reliable, because that's probably one of the main things that we'll be demoing, and the demo is super important for the Gemini competition. So yeah, I'll leave chat up for a little bit and then we'll end stream. Hope you guys enjoyed. And then clean the code, yeah. Clean the code is like a process that never finishes, constantly cleaning code. We actually should have used AI to make the logs better. It's not a bad idea. Did they have these like inhaler things in Thailand I've been smelling? Discord summarization? The Discord's crazy now, it's gonna take too long. Hold on. Alright. I can take the mod off? No, it's cool, man. You can do mod. Can't really see this. Oh, nice. This does not work. I can't. Wait. Oh, actually. That. so many people in the Gemini. You want to try Pythagora, which is better? Have I tried the autocoded model? I haven't. Have you? You want to try it with Pythagora? Yeah. An open interpreter. What about Showcase? Anyone posted in Showcase recently? Oh, someone made a Spotify alternative for iOS. I don't have an iOS. I feel bad for not reacting to this guy. Oh man. This is... Alright, this isn't working. You say it's for iOS, why is it hosted on Versal? How do I get out of this? Napster. Oh, it is on Android too. It's also an NPM package. What? This guy made Napster? That's crazy. Wait, was it this guy? I posted some links too. What did I post? I think we're gonna maybe remove this. Seems like it's not many people looking at it. Oh yeah, I'm doing an event in June with the founder of Continue, or like one of the founders, I think, Ty Dunn, the co-founder. Oh, and the CEO of Continue. Continue is the open source, kind of like GitHub Copilot. I think that'll be super cool. So if you guys want to ask questions to him and have a chat, or just listen to our chat, I don't know how it'll work. I'll be moderating the session. It's going to be on Discord, June 16th. The link is in my Discord, but it will be hosted on the Mozilla Discord. Mozilla AI, June 13th at 10 p.m. my time. Doesn't tell me what time UTC that is or whatever. But yeah, also the Sam Altman Lying by Matthew Berman. That was very interesting. Is it related to Mozilla Firefox? Yeah, it's the same company, Mozilla Firefox. They're also done a bunch of AI stuff. They've created Llama File. Yeah, but Continue isn't by Mozilla. But Mozilla is great, proponent of open source, and Continue is as well. And so are we. We love open source. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Hope to see you guys there. But yeah, probably ending the stream here. Thank you guys so much for joining. I'll see you next time.
Testing coding I. Tech friend is testing the best AI. Is it get to Copilot or Mentat? Should you pay for cursor and spend that? Should the assistant be in VS Code? Or should it live in the terminal and generate